Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 10mm wheel spacers on your BMW 5 Series. Let's go. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. The main function of using wheel spacers is to provide the additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lux-centric, which means the center hold will be made larger to fit over a variety of different vehicles. Lux can be bent under force and provoke vibration if you keep the wheels unbalanced for a long time. For this reason, we recommend the use of hub-centric spacers or hub-centric rings. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.